Hello, this is a video tutorial to show you how to fold the Dahon curl. Firstly, you lift up the seat post. Please note that this is a double telescopic seat post, hence you have to lift up the bottom, which you unfold and lift it up such that the seat post does not protrude from the bottom. Next, you fold the rear wheel inside. And then you fold the body. There's a hook right here, so you have to hook the frame onto the hook. Okay. Lastly, you fold the stem. And then you go down. Next, you can keep the pedal, which you have to unlock as it is a quick release pedal. And then you can keep it right here. And there you go. Alright, to unfold, you lift up the seat post again. And click it back in place, and then you lift up the stem. Please note that you have to open up the latch and then click it in place and then close the latch again. Next, you unfold the body. And then finally the front wheel. There you go, and you are good to go. As for the pedal, you can lift it out and then put it back in place. There's a latch which you have to compress and put it in, and then release, and make sure you hear a click sound. That's all.